welcome to the vlog. This is our first vlog on this channel, and we hope to upload some stuff. I just uploaded on my main channel, so go check that video out. It was a fishing fails video. Also, Colton is in Myrtle Beach, I think right now, so we'll see if he uploads anything. I don't know if he's filmed at all. So me and him are probably going to start doing vlogs together a lot. We'll probably, if we're not hanging out, we'll have my footage and his footage, and we'll just put them together, you know. And so my schedule is a new vlog every Monday and Friday, and post on my main on Wednesday, but today's Thursday. So, but because I didn't post Wednesday, so I figured I would just make a video today. It was a bad storm yesterday, but there's no damage. There's tornado warnings. But I have nothing to really do. I'm just walking around in my garage. I'm gonna try looking for something to do. Hey guys, let me show you something. Made a couple things. So if you saw my clown prop, it's on my main channel. My main channel is 2300 Films. I made this hanging like skeleton thing. It's supposed to be I can't even think of anything right now. It's supposed to be like a hook, but yet I do not know if my haunted house will be this year or not, because of, like, I'm busy and stuff. And here's the other thing I made. It's like a body bag, so it hangs up, you know. It's pretty cool. And my clown prop I actually took down, but I hope to have it this year, but we have a lot of things going on around the time I want to have it. So we might not, but I hope we do. So I'll keep you guys updated. And some Forza. Yeah, Biggie. Got dumplings for the.
Okay.
There you are. It's been quite a long time. It's 2:54 now, or 2:59. And last time I vlogged it was like 1. So I'm trying to think of something fun to do for the vlog, but I can't think of anything. Came up with a great idea. Shoot this egg with a BB gun. Oops. Guys, I just replayed that clip, and what was rolling over the camera was a bunch of like egg yolk and stuff. So I went back to watch it. It was like, cause it was all over the camera. So I went back to watch the video. It was just all over the place. It's like, oh, sorry, I want to see some. But yeah, guys, that's probably gonna be the rest of this video because I have nothing else to vlog about. So that's probably the last or the end of the vlog, but it's the first one. And also my upload schedule will be obviously Monday and Friday a new vlog and a main channel video on Wednesdays, and vlogs will be up around 5 or 6, and main channels will be up around noon. So yeah, so thanks for watching the vlog, and we'll probably check in soon if Colton vlogged anything or recorded anything. So yeah, see you later, and subscribe to the new channel, and bye.